Hey guys, it's Nathan, and this is, who are you?
Gideon.
Gideon, and we are driving around the mall. In the mall on a motorized lion. See, this is our lion. Isn't this fantastic? And we are racing against the evil team. Tashina.
We're gonna beat you.
Oh, we're gonna beat you. All right, you ready? We're lining up.
That is a real guy.
Line up. Right here.
Stopping?
Yeah, we're stopping. All right, you ready? All right, fam. This is your opportunity to bet on lions versus elephants here. All right, you ready? Gideon, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, oh, you're just eyeballing them? Check this out. Gideon's giving him the stare. Show him the stare. Show him the mean stare.
The mean look.
Gideon, give him the mean look. Give him the mean look.
To the phone. Do the mean look.
The mean look. Yeah, he's ready. All right, we're ready. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! All right, Team Lion is off to a pretty decent start. Oh, Gideon, give it a little push here.
That's evil.
They're smoking us, Gideon. They're just doing circles around us. And his dad needs... Wait, that was as far as we were going? We won because we went farther. Hey, Gideon, please don't fall. This doesn't seem safe. We should talk to the safety regulator. All right, Gideon, what did you think of our race?
Well, people are watching. How about we do it?
All right, bye. All right, well, this was our race around the mall. I feel like this is the kind of thing I used to get kicked out of the mall for. So, anyways, it was lots of fun, and I definitely think we're going to do it again. Gideon, say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
I love you.
I love you. I miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.